I'd say the value here is very high. You know, you get a lot of bang for your buck. For what I'm getting, it's very worth the money, and it is affordable for me, and that is just a very important part.
If you're a student who comes to me and wants to go to a four-year university, but cost is a barrier for you, going to St. Louis Community College for 2 years and cutting down on that cost is going to help you achieve that goal.
As a former STLCC student, I think my greatest value is finding my place academically. You know, I went from being kind of really on unsteady footing as a student to having 4 master's degrees at this point. I don't think I ever would have gotten there without coming here.
The professors bring their real-life experiences to us in class and share it. For example, my macroeconomics teacher brings real estate experience into the classroom and shows us like real-life examples of what goes on.
And if you need anything, there are people here who will help you, and they really want to help you. And I feel like that's the difference at STLCC, because you can go places and they will say they want to help you, but when you come here, you're going to feel the difference.
Something that I'm really appreciative of is that our instructors connect us with future employers and give us information for networking events in the area. I just have had such a great experience here compared to other places that I've pursued higher education. I look forward to coming to class now. It's one of my favorite things to do, and I would recommend it to anyone else who wants to feel that way.